Total organic carbon analyzers are common testing instruments in the pharmaceutical industry. They are primarily used to measure the organic carbon content in high-purity water, such as purified water and water for injection. By monitoring the level of organic contamination in water, they provide critical evidence for the quality control of pharmaceutical water and the performance evaluation of water systems. Why TOC matters. The pharmaceutical industry cannot operate without TOC testing, essentially for two main reasons. First, regulatory requirements. Major global pharmacopoeias and regulatory codes specify TOC as a critical quality attribute for pharmaceutical-grade water. Pharmacopoeias, including the USP, EP, and system suitability requirements for TOC in pharmaceutical water. Accordingly, TOC testing arises primarily from regulatory compliance obligations and constitutes an essential component of the pharmaceutical manufacturer's quality management system. Second, risk control. Even after multi-stage purification, pharmaceutical water systems remain vulnerable to organic contamination, such as residual organics from source water, extractables from water treatment materials, organics leached from pipelines and storage tanks, microbial metabolites, and residues generated during cleaning operations. With its broad spectrum detection capability, TOC testing enables continuous monitoring of diverse organic impurities within process systems to prevent unknown contaminants from entering finished products and triggering quality risks. Meanwhile, it facilitates early warning of contamination trends in water and equipment, mitigating microbial proliferation, biofilm formation, and endotoxin risks, so as to effectively safeguard the quality of high-risk preparations, such as injectables and sterile pharmaceuticals, as well as clinical medication safety. How does the MedIntegrity TA-100 Total Organic Carbon Analyzer measure total organic carbon? TA-100 is one of the Total Organic Carbon Analyzer series independently developed by MedIntegrity. The system adopts a combined UV oxidation and persulfate oxidation technology, providing strong oxidation capability for both easily oxidized organic compounds and more resistant organic substances. This enhances oxidation efficiency and reduces negative bias caused by incomplete oxidation. Now, let's take a closer look at how the TA-100 performs sample testing through an actual operation demonstration.